Which among the following is an acid-fast structure? Option A, bacterial capsule. Option B, cryptosporidium. Option C, pneumocystis carinii. Option D, leptospira. Answer is option B, cryptosporidium. Which is the best method for digestion and decontamination of sputum for culturing tubercle bacilli? Option A, N-acetyl L-cysteine sodium hydroxide method. Option B, cephirine trisodium phosphate method. Option C, Petrov's sodium hydroxide method. Option D, oxalic acid method. Answer is option A, N-acetyl L-cysteine sodium hydroxide method. Which of the following is not a venereal disease? Option A, lymphogranuloma venereum. Option B, toxic shock syndrome. Option D, granuloma inguinale. Option D, syphilis. Answer is option B, toxic shock syndrome. Primary amoebic meningoencephalitis is caused by the protozoa except option A, Naegleria. Option B, Ballanthia. Option C, Acanthamoeba. Option D, Entamoeba histolytica. Answer is option D, Entamoeba histolytica. What is the etiologic agent of Pott's disease? Option A, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Option B, Actinomyces israelii. Option C, Treponema pallidum. Option D, Coccidioides immitis. Answer is option A, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The possible bacterial species if the organism is oxidase positive, glucose fermenting, gram negative rod. Option A, Erwinia species. Option B, Vibrio species. Option C, Actinobacter species. Option D, Pseudomonas species. Answer is option B, Vibrio species. Which of the following illness is a frequent cause of blindness? Option A, Q fever. Option B, inclusion conjunctivitis. Option C, psittacosis. Option D, trachoma. Answer is option D, trachoma. The acid-fast staining characteristics of Mycobacterium appears to be due to option A, lipid A. Option B, lipopolysaccharides. Option C, mycolic acid. Option D, muramic acid. Answer is option C, mycolic acid. Virulent strains of Mycobacterium tuberculosis characteristically produce option A, niacin. Option B, mycolic toxin. Option C, tuberculin. Option D, cod factor. Answer is option D, cod factor. What is the most accurate technique for determining the concentration of bacteria in the urine sample? Option A, calibrated loop. Option B, pour plate. Option C, dip slide. Option D, spectrophotometry. Answer is option B, pour plate. Virulence factors of Streptococcus pneumoniae include option A, pili. Option B, protein A. Option C, capsule. Option D, streptolysin O. Answer is option C, capsule. Which of the following statement are correct? Option A, all antiseptics are disinfectants. Option B, all disinfectants are antiseptic. Option C, disinfectants can be safely applied to skin and mucous membrane. Option D, disinfectants are oxidizing agents. Answer is option A, all antiseptics are disinfectants. In flash method of pasteurization, the temperature used is option A, 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Option B, 72 degrees Celsius for 20 seconds. Option C, 80 degrees Celsius for 20 seconds. Option D, 56 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Answer is option B, 72 degrees Celsius for 20 seconds. The common form of energy metabolism among members of the Enterobacteriaceae family. Option A, autotrophic metabolism. Option B, glycolysis. Option C, mixed acid fermentation. Option D, complete aerobic respiration. Answer is option C, mixed acid fermentation. The major hexose reducing pathway in Pseudomonas. Option A, enter-Dodorov pathway. Option B, autotrophic metabolism. Option C, complete aerobic respiration. Option D, glycolysis. Answer is option A, Ettner-Dodorov pathway. Which process uses inorganic salt as a source of terminal electron acceptors? Option A, mixed acid fermentation. Option B, Ettner-Dodorov pathway. Option C, complete aerobic respiration. Option D. Autotrophic metabolism. Answer is option D. Autotrophic metabolism. Which is the common site of infection of Paragonimus westermani? Option A. Liver. Option B. Lungs. Option C. Small intestine. Option D. Common bile duct. Answer is option B. Lungs. The causative agent of Begel. Option A. Treponema caratium. Option B. Treponema petuni. Option C. Treponema pallidum subspecies pallidum. Option D. Leptospira indrogens serover australis. Answer is option C. Treponema pallidum subspecies pallidum. Among the following drugs, which one inhibits cell wall synthesis? Option A. Erythromycin. Option B. Polymycin. Option C. Chloramfenicol. Option D. Cycloserine. Answer is option D. Cycloserine. The saprophytic mycobacterium, quite commonly found in water taps and generate problems of false positive smear, is option A. Mycobacterium gordoni. Option B. Mycobacterium sulgi. Option C. Mycobacterium xenopi. Option D. Mycobacterium flavescens. Answer is option A. Mycobacterium gordoni.